guys, welcome back to the channel. You got your girl Purple. And guys, as you can see in the background, your girl is packed. That's right guys, I am packed mostly, but I'm taking you guys with me. We're going on a girls trip this weekend, guys, and I'm excited. I'm gonna take my POB family with me so you guys get to see a little bit of what goes on a girls trip. Now this trip is my cousin's birthday girls trip weekend. So you guys are getting to see a little sneak peek of what's going on. Right now I'm mostly packed. And you guys know I pack heavy. Yes, those 2 bags and probably a tote bag. But let me go get ready and I'll be back. Okay, POB fam, your girl is packed. She is ready to go, y'all. Ready to go. I'm dressed very casual. Have on just a black t-shirt with some plaid pants, and the theme of the party is Crocs and cocktails, and your girl got on some Crocs. Let me show you. Y'all know I'm not a Croc fan, but my cousin's party and it's her theme and everybody knows your girl sticks with the theme. So let's show the shoes, baby. Y'all see my Crocs? Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, guys. Okay, POB fam, your girl has made it to Publix, and I just picked up some of the party food back there, y'all. Yay, 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 yay. We're gonna get our grub on. Yes, and it is smoking hot out here today. It's almost 90 degrees, so, but I'm not complaining because at least it's not cold or raining. So I'm finna meet up with my cousin and let you guys meet my cousin, and we're gonna hit the y'all, the highway. Yes, I'm excited. Okay, POB fam, we finally arrived to our destination. As you guys can see, it is dark out here, y'all. We had a delay in traffic, so I'm just walking into the house that we're going to be in for the weekend, so you guys get to experience it with your girl. OMG, it smells really good in here. Smells new and refreshing, and yeah, very classy, y'all. So y'all get to see everything with me. Oh, that was my phone. Oh, let me introduce you guys to my cousin. POB fam, here is my cousin.
How you doing?
And this is the birthday goddess, y'all. She's the reason for this girls' weekend. So guys, you're gonna check the house out as I check it out. Okay, so we walk in and we have, looks like the formal dining area. Very nice. And we're gonna look over here on this side because y'all know I'm nosy. POB fam. This is the washer dryer. I'm assuming this is probably the door to the garage. Yep, there's the garage. And then we'll come over. Here's the bathroom. Okay, my cousin has claimed her room already. She says that is her room, wherever she is. And here's the kitchen. Oh my God, guys, look at this kitchen. This is the type of kitchen that your girl Purple needs to have in her life, like for real, not for the weekend. OMG, guys. Oh, and we have stairs. We have stairs, but I'm not going up the stairs. This must be the room. This is your room?
Oh, it's over here.
Not this one?
Yeah, I want that.
This one's yours? Okay, this is the room my cousin's taking claim to. It has a crib in it too, so if anybody came here with any little ones, guys, look at this. This is where your girl Purple needs to be at, doing her makeup. Y'all, this room is banging. Let's check out the bathroom here, y'all. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. And we're the first 2 to come, so we get to pick our rooms first. So this is the bathroom. There's the shower. And check out that tub, guys. Whew, I could see myself living here for real, y'all. Now, what y'all think of room number 1 here? And I'm not sure what's in that door here because it has a code on it. So we're gonna take a trip up the stairs, y'all. So I guess your girl Purple's room is gonna be up the stairs. And I'm walking a little stiff, y'all, cause I've been driving for a few hours. Oh, look at this room. Okay. There's the closet. Okay. That's the second room. And let's see what this is, probably a bathroom. And this is the bathroom. Guys, my battery finna go dead, so we're gonna make this really quick. Let me see if I can get to the other rooms before the battery dies. Oh, look at this one. And the double door closets. Huh? There's a purple room?
It should be, isn't it?
I haven't gotten to it if it is. Oh, there's nothing in there. You guys know I look in all the doors. Try to make this real fast for y'all. Whew. This is another room. I think this is gonna be purple room, y'all. This has an adjoining bathroom. It has a bathroom. Oh, the bathroom adjoins like the this reminds me of the Brady Bunch, guys. Okay, you got this room, the bathroom. Wait a minute, this has to be a toilet or something in there. Okay, yeah. This is the bathroom, and then the other room. I think this is the purple room. So I'm thinking this is the room that my cousin says for me. She says there was a purple room. So I think this is gonna be my room, but let's see what else is down here. Guys, see that? It is immaculate in here. Uh-oh. 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 Y'all see this room? Oh, and this room has a bathroom too. Whew. And this has that same nice bathroom, that tub with the shower. And the little closet here. This smells funny in here. It smells funky up in this room here though. Oh, y'all. So guys, which room do you think I'm gonna pick? Let me go see. Let me talk to my cousin and see which one. But she says the purple room was supposed to be for me. So we'll see. If not, I might take the funky room because it has its own bathroom. Let me see. But it's better lighting in this room for my makeup. Y'all see this? It's better lighting in here. This lighting is amazing in here for my makeup. So maybe I'll do this room, but I'm not sure who would share the bathroom with me. But it doesn't matter because we came to turn up and have a good time. So, okay, POV fam, your girl has gotten her battery switched out. Got my bags here, guys. That's all I brought. And I decided on this room, guys. King size bed with the bathroom, private bathroom, and the jacuzzi tub. This is the room that I decided on. My cousin told me since I was here first, I get the first pick. And all of the rooms, as you guys saw, are beautiful. I don't know that I showed you guys all the rooms because I think I missed one of the rooms, but we're gonna do a quick quickie, really fast right now so that you guys could see all of the rooms again. And you guys see that little sitting area there? Y'all see that? Your girl Purple probably gonna make a video over there. I just blend well with that decor, don't I? Okay, so you saw my room. That's number 1. And we have this room across the way. It's room number 2. It has the adjoining bathroom to the room that I originally was going to get because my cousin says this room was the purple room. So this is bedroom number 3. And then from out of there, go down the hall a little bit. And this is bedroom number 4. And there's a bathroom there. And then this is bedroom number 5 with that super king size bed back there. Huge bed. So bedroom 4 and 5 would probably share that bathroom. Now I'm finna mosey myself back down these stairs, y'all. Oh, first let me get my phone because I'm not finna be walking up and down these steps. Whew. Let me get my phone, let me get my phone. Well, I got my battery, the other battery's on the charger. We'll get my phone because I'm not coming back up here for a minute. And I'm hungry. And the food downstairs, y'all. Food downstairs, so let's get to the food. Oh, and by the way, this is the final bedroom. This is the master bedroom. This is what my cousin is gonna be her room. This room is amazing. This bed is like, this bed comes up to my waist, guys. The bed comes to my waist. It is huge and tall. So yeah, let's get to the kitchen, y'all. Oop, I see some drinks. I see some alcohol. Alcohol. Let the turn up begin. It'll be a couple hours before we get more people coming, and then tomorrow we should have our full load. So stay tuned, fam.